いたって守りたい革命途中だって君に夢中暗闇染み込む世界で見つけたセンチメンタルな恋
Was lost in the dark, was blinded, I couldn't see. I lost the light.
卡豬同你一齊咗10年半有多，今日我哋終於修成正果。呢10年半咧，我哋一齊經歷咗好多唔同嘅事情。最慶幸嘅係一直有你陪伴住喺我身邊。喺我有困難嘅時候，都一直陪住我、支持我同鞭策我。我知道我呢個人講嘢唔係好叻，亦都唔係好識表達自己，咁所以我今日就準備咗首歌，用唱嘅形式去表達我對你嘅愛，我愛你。而歌詞都充滿住我想對你講嘅説話。You are my strength when I'm weak, all that I need, you have been there all along.All of the time you stood by me, even when times were rough, you always believed. Sun to my star, near afar, still choose you all along. You are mine for life, you are my everything. You're the half that makes me whole.
I found the will to fight. I swear I'll fight for us till the day I die. You're the body and soul, the heart of my home that just keeps me hanging on.
好感激喺呢10年半你一直陪伴住我，不離不棄。我今日應承你，喺未來嘅日子，我會好好回應你對我嘅愛，去寵你同愛你。你想去做乜，我都會陪住你，支持你。雖然我哋喺人哋面前已經好似老夫老妻咁，但我覺得我哋之間仲差對方一個名分。而我哋今日即將成為一對夫婦，一齊踏入人生另一個階段。而我終於都可以叫你一聲做何太。
You are mine for life. You are my everything. You are my one love.
好多謝呢個宇宙俾我喺咁多人入邊揾到你，希望你同色色陪住我一齊去探索，一齊去學習，成為一生嘅伴侶，一直咁開心落去。
從來未想過自己可以幸福，餘生不再只殘局，預計中鬱鬱的結束，是你的家。
阿女啊，個女啊，今日出嫁，好開心。
到幸福如今的我信十足 You are mine You are my everything
我請在場各人見證，我何坤浩願以你張曉儀為我合法妻子。
我張曉儀願以你何坤浩為我合法丈夫。
我將永遠愛你，
珍惜你，
直到永遠。